Justice Kavanaugh?
Just to follow up on Justice Gorsuch's question, a broader frame about the role of this court when there's scientific uncertainty. I mean, there'll be different district courts who do different things, almost certainly in different cases, and in an area of scientific uncertainty where there's strong assertions of equality interests on both sides. And so it's going to come to this court, and we have to decide for the whole country, constitutionalize this. And I guess given that half the states are allowing it, allowing transgender girls and women to participate, about half are not, why would we, at this point, just the role of this court, jump in and try to constitutionalize a rule for the whole country while there's still, as you say, uncertainty and debate, while there's still strong interest in the other side? And I think one of the themes of your argument's been the more people learn, the more they'll agree with you. At least I've detected that theme in your argument. So why would we get involved at this point, constitutionalize?
I understand the question, Your Honor, and I do think that the Equal Protection Clause's demands have never been viewed as kind of a separate avenue from the legislative process. They can and do often coexist. And here, I think the point is we have two as-applied challenges to early laws. They have their unique cases in their own right. I don't think this court needs to set rules forever on this area. I think the most important thing would be to allow a record to develop, even in areas of controversy. And we look back at what you cited to Inscrimenti, you cited Carhart. There were extensive findings. There also were findings in VMI. There were findings in Craig v. Boren. I'm learning things by reading these cases over again. There were findings in those cases. And so I think that at least before the court decides to either step back fully or to embrace its role here of providing the scrutiny that should be attended to groups when there's a worry that the democratic process isn't actually going to fairly respond to their concerns, I think the point, at least at a minimum, would be get a full record, which we don't have here. That would be my request.
Thank you.